Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Trello account. For that, just go and open your app and tap on login button and tap on login with email, and there it will show you. Tap on continue button and there it will show you your previous account. Simply tap on that, and if that does not work, if doing that wouldn't log you in, just tap on add another account and tap on can't log in. There you need to enter your email address and then tap on send recovery link, and they will send you a recovery link on your Gmail. Just go and check it out. This is it. Tap on set password and tap on set password, and by doing that it will let you reset your password. And something is wrong with my device, so I couldn't do that, but doing that you can reset your password and you can recover your account. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.